A couple years ago in our group chat, we laughed at Kofi. He was struggling, dropped out, broke, stuck. Someone called him a failure straight to his face. "We're winning. You're done." I stayed quiet. It stung, but I let it slide. Then life hit me hard. Job gone. Savings drained. Ghosted applications. The same friends who laughed went silent too. Our winning season evaporated overnight. Kofi? He quietly rebuilt. Fixed phones in his mum's backyard, turned it into a real shop, hired help, started training others. Now he's the one thriving. When he drops into the chat now, no jokes, just quiet respect. And this ache in my chest, every time I remember how we treated him. It hurts realizing how fragile success is, how easily the tables turn, how one cruel word can echo forever. Never call anyone a failure just because the light's on you today. Your weather can change tomorrow. And when it does, the pain of those words might be all that's left. That quiet regret, that flip of fate, it stays with you.